Hi guys, it's me Tahmina and Olim, and today we're doing blindfold challenge. He's going to test food with his eyes and nose closed, so he will not touch food with his hands. And he doesn't know what is waiting for him.
I don't feel even the smell. You see, my nose is closed.
Oh God, do not make me eat this. Oh, I'm joking.
Wait. What this? Wait.
It doesn't matter, mister.
Where are you? I can't see anything.
Just open your mouth. Open. And chew it. Yeah, chew it. So, tell me, what is this?
It's kinda watermelon.
Okay, do you think that it's a watermelon?
Yeah.
So, you are not right. It's not a watermelon, it's a melon.
It's just a melon.
Yeah. So, let's go to the second thing.
It was just a melon, yeah.
Yeah, open your mouth, please.
Wait.
Are you ready for the second thing?
Yes.
What do you think? What is this?
What it was? It's a potato?
Potato? Do you think that is potato?
No, wait, it's a carrot.
It's a carrot, yes.
Yes, it's a carrot, you see? And I should swallow it?
Yes, swallow.
Wow.
There is a vitamin A.
Okay.
Are you ready for the third one?
Wait, just a second. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
What is it?
So what are you saying? What is this?
Okay.
No! Give it to me. Okay. What is this? What is this? What do you think?
I don't know it.
So you can say it in Russian if you want.
Okay. Algarsky.
Yes, it's a pepper or paprika, how we call it. I think. It's a pepper.
Okay.
So open your mouth.
What? Banana?
No.
Okay. Wait.
My dictionary will tell you what is this.
Wait.
Raisin.
What?
Raisin.
It's a raisin!
Yeah, it's a raisin. You were not right. It's a raisin.
Mavis.
Yes.
It's a raisin, but it was like a banana.
Okay. Open your mouth.
Wait. Okay, I'm ready. What? Is it a nut?
No.
It looks like a nut.
What kind of nut?
I don't know. It's not, but it's not.
It is.
Almonds.
Do you know what is almond?
No.
It's mindal. Bodom.
It was like a nut.
It was like a nut. Okay. So the last one for you.
Is it the last one?
Yeah. Open
Okay.
your mouth. Open. Yeah. Chew it.
What is it? What is it?
Chew it.
Yeah.
No, chew it. Swallow it. It's a game. So swallow it.
What is it?
Swallow it. Chew it. So what is this?
It has got a, bad taste. What is it?
Tell me.
I don't know, it hasn't got even a taste. It's like a, I don't know.
So what is this?
It's like a sponge.
And what is this? Swallow it. It's a game. Swallow it. It's a normal thing. So your decision is that it's a sponge.
No.
What is this?
What is it?
You should say me what is this.
It feels like a sponge, but it hasn't got a taste.
Okay, so your decision is?
No idea, but let it be meat?
Meat?
Maybe.
It's a cheese!
What?
It's a cheese. It was a
Oh
cheese.
my
It
God.
was cheese, not a cheese. It was cheese. Cheese.
I just.
Uncountable noun. Sorry,
It's
people.
cheese.
It's cheese. Yeah. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.
There's
Subscribe
camera.
our channel and
Put likes.
yeah. Bye.